welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin. Spring has sprung. Woohoo! Once again. Anyway, so today I'm going to do some really good stuff. I'm going to do a Chile Colorado, smoked Chile Colorado on the Pit Boss tailgater. Basically, we're going to do some chuck roast, kind of like you do your pulled beef, but we're going to make it Chile Colorado style. Once this is done, I think I'm going to make some Birria Tacos, possibly a New Mexico stacked enchilada. I don't know. There's so much stuff you can do with this. If you've seen my carne adobada video, it's very similar to that, but we're using a chuck roast. We're using beef, and man, this is going to be good. I'm using the I've been into the pecan hickory mesquite blend from Pit Boss, so we're using that. So we're going to pour the pecan hickory mesquite pellets into this little 5-pound hopper. Top it off like that, and that's all you got to do. I love these pellets. For our smoker, and what I'm going to do is we're going to put this chuck roast on for about an hour just on the P setting, P4. Sorry about that. We're going to do P4 for an hour, then we'll come out and check it, probably crank it up to 250, let it go till it gets about 160 interior. Then we'll put it in a pan, get some braising with some beef broth, and it's just going to be good. So anyway, let's get started. Here is my chuck roast. First thing I'm going to do, of course, is use my MKR rub, aka McCormick's garlic pepper. We're just going to season that real well. Of course, it's a little breezy out here. That's okay. We can just put it on, pat it in. Let's see, before I flip it, I'm going to get some my red chili powder on there just for a little kick. Why? Because it's Chile Colorado. We can do that. Okay. A little bit on the sides. Make sure we get all sides. Alright, that's going to be some good stuff right there. We can get some grease on our chins tonight. Look at that. We're going to get some great color out of this. Get the sides again. Alright. Okay. That's it for the prep. Okay, the Pit Boss is running at 165 right now. We want it low so we can get lots of smoke on here. And to get even more smoke, I have started a half a chimney in my smoker tube. That's it. So I'm going to have my smoker tube going on in here as well, and that'll just get even more smoke on that. And that too is the pecan hickory mesquite blend. So we're going to let this go for an hour, and then we'll be back. We've been going 1 hour. Oh yeah, look at that. Tube's burning, getting some nice smoke on there. Yep. All right, we're gonna turn this up to 250 and let it go. Okay, we are 2.5 hours in. Oh, we're good over there. All right, 166. We're gonna get this wrapped up. We've got our pan, we've got about a half an onion in there. So what we're gonna do now is just take that piece of meat, put it in there. I'm going to add 1 cup of beef bouillon. Better than bouillon. We're going to pour that in there. We're going to pour it over the top. It's all good. And we're just going to cover it with the foil. And this is going to we're going to let this braise 193. We're going to go about 10 more minutes. Maybe 15. Okay. All right, so far, 1 hour in smoke. 2.5 hours at 250 degrees. We got it up to 165-ish. And we've been 50 minutes. Wind. We've been 50 minutes at 350 in the braise with some beef bouillon and onions. They're currently temping at 200, 202. So I pulled them off. They're sitting here. Well, it's spring. It's still warm. But now we get in the wind. We're expecting just a little bit of rain tonight, so I'd imagine that's why we got a little bit of wind going on. So I'm getting my gloves on so I can handle this meat. Dang it. Alright, so cotton gloves. Let me pull you down here. Okay, so here we go. Now, if I can keep this without it blowing away, will be great. Set that over there. I'm going to take my meat out. We're going to get it over onto the cookie sheet, meat sheet. And so what we're going to want to do now is just kind of break it apart, shred it, taste it. Yeah, that's good. So we're gonna get this shredded up. I do want to, if I have any big pieces of fat, I do not want to use that. I like using my hands for shredding. Okay, look at all this nice, beautiful meat. Look how that smoke ring is. Nice smoke on there. Beautiful. Okay, this is kind of gristly, fat. We won't eat that. Maybe I'll cut that up. Can't take a bite of that though. Okay. Now, we've got our onions and our juice here. What I'm going to do is pour some of this out into here. Keep just a little bit in here. You keep the onions in here. I'm going to put the meat back in here. It's okay that it gets nice and juice from here. All flavor right there, I'm telling you. This just looks so delicious. Okay. We're going to move that over, move this over. Get a little bit more shred on here. So, all right, while we made this, we started this early today, about 1:30 I guess, and we had some friends come over, and since they stayed and visited, I didn't make my own red chili sauce. I know, disappointing, right? Because I was really looking forward to making my own. So, when that happens, like I said in my other Carne Adobada video, if you have a favorite red chili sauce that you like, we like Danita's Finest here in New Mexico. We're just going to use this. And this will work fine. And you know what? Sometimes store-bought works great. Homemade is awesome. But hey, you know what? There's nothing wrong with using stuff that you can buy already pre-made in the store. Just open it up. We're going to pour this over the meat. Just like that. This is going to make our Chile Colorado, our beef Chile Colorado. Back over here. Okay, I'm going to mix that up. Okay, I just want to see the consistency here. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty darn good. I think what I'm going to do is pour just a tiny bit more of this in there, back in there. Maybe another 3 tablespoons. Okay. And we're going to put this right back in. I got my onions in here still. They'll fall apart. Now what we're going to do is let this go. I'm actually going to let this go. I'm going to add another, so we're probably about 1/4 cup back in here. Another tablespoon or so. I want it to be a little bit juicy. That's looking good. Now, here is my chili Colorado, my beef chili Colorado with the red chili sauce, the beef bouillon that was in there that we used to braise it. I'm gonna put it back in the smoker, and we're gonna let this go probably 45 minutes at the 350 mark. Okay, look at that. It's 40 minutes in here at 350. Let's get some birria tacos made, some stacked enchiladas over on the Blackstone Griddle. Hey man, yeah, spring is here. Look at this wind. We're gonna get the birria tacos going on the Blackstone. You can do these in the kitchen in a pan, but hey, we're gonna do these outside on the Blackstone, so let's get these going. Okay, there's our beef chili Colorado. Birria tacos, yeah, this is a beef, not lamb, so just doing it our way. So first thing I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do is make some tacos. We're gonna take our corn tortilla, we're gonna get them right in this red sauce, and we're gonna throw them right on the hot grill. So I'm putting cheese down on half of it. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna get some of my chili Colorado meat on there. Right here. Fill them up. Okay, and we're going to add a little bit of onion. Cilantro, you know, you make them your way. If you don't like cilantro, well, substitute with what you guys like. I'm not putting any Mexican cheese, I just use the 4-blend that I always use. Then we're going to get these, fold them over. Look at that. Uh-oh, got that one stuck. Okay. We will let those cook a minute. Make sure those are loose. Griddle. Flip that one. My. Just flip those back over. Check them out. Oh yeah. Alright. Those look amazing. Put these over here on a plate. Let's see. I'm going to put these that way. Okay. I'm going to put down a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to get some more of that birria sauce on there. Whoa, that wind just blew that over. Okay, well, we'll flip it. For stacked enchiladas, you just want your, goodness gracious, you just want your tortillas to be soft. And we are going to put the meat down. That. Some onion, some cilantro, get some cheese on there. This wind is no joke. put our other tortilla on top. Mash it down a little bit. Repeat it. I'm gonna get some more Chile Colorado on there. Okay, just like that. Put some more onion. Some more cilantro. And some more cheese. And that, my friends, is a stacked New Mexican enchilada. Get that on the plate, hopefully. Don't make it too big of a mess. There we go. Look at that meat. Alright, there you go. Birria Tacos. Stacked enchiladas, New Mexican enchiladas. I'm gonna get this out of the wind. We're gonna go eat this up. Okay, wow, what a difference a day makes. That was last night. The wind was blowing so hard. I had a difficult time with the tortillas blowing off. Everything was just blowing all over the place. So I did not take a taste test. I just got the food back inside and we enjoyed it. Let me tell you, that beef Chile Colorado was amazing. Smoked beef Chile Colorado. Oh, if you get a chance, I mean, it's like the carne adobada, but we're using beef. If you get a chance, make you some. You should be able to get all the ingredients in the store. Red chili sauce, beef, hey, tortillas. I highly recommend you making some. Anyway, sorry I didn't do a taste test last night, but let me tell you, it would have been a mess with that wind. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.